Hey guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We're going to talk about some fast growing seeds that you can plant right now in your fall garden that you will have time to harvest. So some of the things I'm going to start today directly in the ground and probably in that front raised bed of mine are radishes, some spinach, and some lettuces. I'm also going to start these in a seed starter for the high tunnel, but for outdoor gardening right now I still have time to get these in the ground. So let me show you. The radishes I was able to find, as you all know, there's been kind of a seed shortage, so I did go ahead and pick some different varieties that were available. Not afraid to try that, and in fact I'm excited because I think it's going to bring us a great variety. So let's look here. We have the giant of Sicily, we have the Pusa Galabi, I guess, we have the Zalata radish, and we have the Easter basket mix. This one I'm very excited about. Go check it out on Baker Heirloom Seeds and you'll see that it's a variety of colored radishes. So these are all things I'm going to put in the ground that they will germinate and they will be ready to harvest within about 28 to 35 days. Very fast growers. Another couple of things I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put me some spinach in the ground because we do promise to have some cooler weather in the next week, and I think that we're probably done with our 100-degree days. At least I hope we are. And then I'm going to do some seed starting for my high tunnel and for my raised bed. So I have different varieties here of lettuce. I have the organic red salad bowl leaf lettuce. I have the Rocky Top lettuce, and I have the Tom Thumb lettuce. And these are all seeds I'm going to put outdoors, and I'm also going to do seed starters because I want to be sure and have plenty of greens over the winter. So another couple of things that I'm going to be planting in my little seed starters is I'm going to start some cucumbers because I think in the high tunnel or your raised bed where you want to maybe make a mini greenhouse, I'm going to try to do this. And then I did speak with Baker Heirloom about some cool weather variety tomatoes, and these are their suggestions. The black creme tomato is a cool weather lover. He seems to think that that's going to do just fine in the high tunnel. And the Isis candy cherry tomato as well. So I'm excited to get these seeds started for the high tunnel and see where this leads us. So I've got a busy day today. So I'm very excited. As you can see, spring is not just for gardening, so is fall. There's lots of things you can start growing right now, and you need to get started on that. So get your radishes, get your lettuces in the ground, so your beets and your turnips. So I'm very excited to get this going, guys. And I'll be doing this all day today. I'll probably put my radishes in that raised bed up front, and we will watch them grow and we will enjoy them. Take care, God bless. If you like this video, we ask that you hit the like and subscribe button, and we will be in touch more as things progress here at North Texas Vegetable Gardening. Take care, God bless. Have a wonderful weekend.